Is this lens the best lens for $50? Well, let's find out. Unboxing and review coming right up. So there's nothing really that special about this box, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so let me just get this cover off from the front, and as you can see there's some plastic here, so let me get that off. And then you can see there's the back of it too, which is probably plastic on there too. Let that need to get off. And now we can talk about what we're gonna do. So this lens is a f1.8 lens, so let's go take some pictures and videos. See, for $50, that lens took some pretty decent photos and videos. So make sure to join our Discord, Nick's Hardware. It's pretty dead. Very dead. As moderator, very dead. So please, links in the description. Isaac from Tech Duo, signing off.